You can also add in Zoom meeting links to your calendar events. So to do that, you need to use the Zoom add-on. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on to the settings menu, and then I'm going to go around on to get add-ons right here. Once I do that, the add-ons marketplace will open up right here, and then I'll be able to select Zoom. So here you can see that there's the marketplace, and here you can see Zoom for Z Suite is an option. So once I click on this, what happens is that it opens up the Zoom for Z Suite, and now what I can do is I can simply install it and click on continue. So once I do that, you can see that now, first of all, I need to sign in onto my account to verify that I want to allow this. So I'm going to allow the Zoom to actually manage my calendar. So I'm going to press done right here, and I'm going to close it. So now what happens is that if I were to go in an event, I can go around and edit this. So over here, now what happens is that there's Google Meet. I'm going to close this. So here, since Zoom is another meeting application, you can go around onto the drop down menu, and now you can see that it says add-ons right here, and there's the Zoom meeting that you can actually add in. So, but you need to log into your Zoom account in order to actually start using this. So you need to link it up with your account first. So I'm just going to sign in with my Zoom account as well. So I'm just going to go around right here. And then once I sign in, what happens is that I can go around and then work around with this. I'm going to go around, create the account right here. So we're going to go through the verification process right here, and I'm going to authorize this out. So once I authorize, what happens is that it redirects it to Google Calendar right here. The application was created. I'm going to confirm this right here. So you have to go through the process right here. So now what happens is that the Zoom meeting conference details will be added on right here. And there you go. It has generated the Zoom ID and the passcode right here. And you got the joining instructions right here. So you can save this, and instead of Google Meet, now you have Zoom for that particular event. And that is how you can add in Zoom links directly to your Google Meet events by using add-ons option inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.